Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your audio sound better inside of Audacity. So let's jump straight into the guide, and the first thing you'll need to do is launch up the Audacity application, and then we're just going to import our audio over to the application here. Now I've already imported my audio sample inside of here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a duplicate of this audio track, and then I'm going to go ahead and mute this first track here, and I'll be making the changes to this second track, and then at the end we can hear the difference between these two audio tracks. So this is what it currently sounds like. Hey guys, this is just a sample audio clip, and we're going to be using this to improve our sound quality. So the first thing we're going to do to make this audio sound better is you just need to select the track that you're working on. Make sure the entire thing is selected here. And then we need to come over to Effect at the top, come down to Volume and Compression, and the first effect that we're going to apply is Normalize. Now this is just going to help increase the loudness of the audio. And what we need to do is we need to change this peak amplitude to -3 dB. And then just go ahead and press apply. Now the next thing we're going to do is, if you have an audio track with quite a lot of background noise, then we're going to go ahead and get rid of that now. Now you'll only be able to use this tool for sounds like humming, maybe you have some background noise coming from your laptop or any white noise, but it won't get rid of any loud noises like a dog barking or traffic or anything like that. So if you do have some light background noise in your clip, then what you need to do is, you can see at the start of my audio clip here, I have a couple of seconds before I actually start speaking. Now I'd recommend for you to do the same, because what we're going to do here is we're just going to select this part of the audio track where nothing's really happening. And once we have this selection, you need to come over to Effect, come over to Noise Removal and Repair, and then select Noise Reduction. Now this is a two-step process, and the first step is just coming over to Get Noise Profile here, and then once you've done that, we're then going to select the entire track just by clicking up here, come back over to Effect, come over to Noise Removal and Repair, and once again select Noise Reduction. This time we need to come down to the step 2 part, and you just want to adjust all of these to 6 like you see on the screen here, and then go ahead and press OK. So that will have now removed any background noise from your audio clips. Now the next thing you'll need to do is once again just select your clip here, come over to Effect at the top, come over to EQ and Filters, and we're going to select Filter Curve EQ, come over to Presets and Settings, inside of Factory Presets, and there's 3 things that we need to apply in here. So the first one is this treble boost, so go ahead and select that, then go ahead and click Apply, then come back over to Effect, back inside of the Filter Curve, come back over to Presets and Settings, Factory Presets, this time select Bass Boost, click Apply, and the last thing you need to do is come back over to Effect, back inside of EQ, back inside of Filter Curve, Presets and Settings, Factory Presets, and the last thing you need to select here is Low Roll Off for Speech, and hit Apply. So once you've applied those effects, we're now going to look at adding some compression, and that's just basically going to limit the highs and the lows of our audio clip. So when the audio is too high, it's going to help with that, and when the audio is too quiet and too low, it's going to help bring that sound up. So what you need to do is come over to Effect at the top, come over to Volume and Compression, come over to Compressor, and I would just go ahead and leave these settings as the default and just press Apply. Now the last thing we're going to do to our audio is add a limiter, and that's basically to say if the volume gets too high or you get too close to your microphone and there's a loud sound, then it will limit those sound waves from coming through. So come over to Effect at the top, come down to Volume and Compression and select Limiter, and we're going to change this drop down here from Soft Limit to Hard Limit. Press Apply, and we now have our finished audio file. So if I go ahead and play this now so you can see what this sounds like. Hey guys, this is just a sample audio clip, and we're going to be using this to improve our sound quality. And then if I play back the original, you can now see the difference between the two. Hey guys, this is just a sample audio clip, and we're going to be using this to improve our sound. So you can clearly see that the second one sounds a lot better, it's a lot clearer, a lot deeper in the voice, just sounds a lot more crisp in general. And it's as simple as that, guys. You can play around with these effects, but that's how you improve your sound quality inside of Audacity. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.